guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So this is not the ultra version, it's just Note 20. So I pre-ordered it and it was reached in my father's hand yesterday. So today itself I unboxed it and set up the main settings. Now I am just going to shut down the phone and then unbox it again. So first my father brought it in this cover. When I opened this cover, it was like Samsung return box. Actually this box was in this set. So it is written Galaxy and in the side Samsung, only that much, and there is a sticker seal. So it is the open area is covered with magnets. So it's actually the glue is gone from here. And when I first itself opened, it was full shuffled. Then I rearranged myself. So I think this thank you card came first. In the back there is photo. I think there is a space for photo and a description below. I think maybe for the Samsung company itself for the details of the address. But they did not do anything. Then it was protected with a black cover. And I also ordered a Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, which I will unbox in the next video. And the phone actually came in this cover. So let me take the box back. So the phone actually came in this cover. So this was protected with a glue tag, and it was, I don't know what to say, but you can see like a thin cardboard scratched. And when I opened it, it was the retail box. I think when you order from the Samsung itself, they gave in this luxury packaging with the box and all. But when you buy from Lulu or any other stores, I think they will only give this and the normal box like this. Maybe like that, because I pre-ordered or ordered, maybe come like this. It is written Note 20 and the symbol of S Pen is here. And the side also it is written Samsung Galaxy Note 20. And the seal is here. It is already saying that if your seal is broken, do not take this and you have to replace it. But actually it was sealed, and the Samsung warranty is here. Yeah, and over here our catalog is here with the ejection pin. Samsung it is written and the catalog pictures is given, and the S Pen is the ejection pin is here, which we are using to put SIM into the phone. So in the between there was no storage in the other mobile and the video stopped accidentally. That's why maybe my voice will not be there, because I joined these two videos. And the phone is here, which I will go to back after. Sometimes we are checking this now. So there is a protection for the back and the phone not to scratch on the charger. And there is the charger, and the difference is, I think so, the square type and the rectangle type pin changed into the this type charger thing, because I don't know the name. There are so many names like type C, type D and all. Because the last one I used was S8 Plus. From there the rectangle pin was there, and this charger pin only for the phone, but the plug and the wire connection was with the rectangle piece only. So next is our charger. This is actually came in this box, and by mistakenly I tear it little bit. And the charger, as you can see, I said the pin is like the phone only, and the charger is returned the super fast charging, because it is little bit not clear. I will try. Now it is focused. You can see super fast charging, the plug, and the Samsung logo. Now when I plug this and I try to charge, when it is like 58% or 56 like that, it will charge just in 1 hour like that. I don't know the volts, I have to look. So next is our headphone, but there is no headphone jack in this phone. As you can see, there is no headphone jack. There is only the S Pen area and the SIM ejection tool area. The camera is not focusing. Yeah, I thought how we will use this, but when I looked inside it, I understood how to use it. Because this same headphones, AKG only, with the Samsung itself, I bought from my grocery for 15 dirhams. I thought only 15 dirhams and there is no headphone jack, then how we will use this headset. But the charging port area was the pin for this headphones to plug in. It is full like scrabbled. Yeah, as you can see, this thing is the charger pin only. Let me focus it. It's not focusing. Yeah, now still not focusing. Yeah, now it is focusing. As you can see, the charging pin is like the charger only, and it is written Samsung over here. It's not focusing. Yeah, sorry guys, but it is written Samsung over here. The other headphone also had the Samsung logo on it. Not logo, it is normally written. And this thing that will broke very easily on the other thing. And this, yeah, to make it straight, to make not that, you know, when you are driving car or something, to make it small, I think they made like this. And now to the phone. No, sorry, before that catalog is there now. As you can see, the catalog is over here. Yeah, by the way, I noticed one thing when I read the catalog, because they are saying that if the screen protector on your phone is not there, please don't do anything, because the screen protector is given by Samsung itself. When I checked, it was there. And the next thing I do about the phone is the S Pen. It is little bit bumpier, and the speaker is not over here. That is like sound will be very less. And the SIM ejection tool is over here. And there is also protection for these things over here. The steel thing for the phone. And the Samsung things over here. Warranty card. Yeah, how to use Quick Start. Now let's go to the phone. Yeah, this is actually the phone. Let me adjust my angle. Okay. Yeah, this is my phone actually. Yeah, let me turn it on. This written Samsung Galaxy Note 20 secured by Knox. That is a new thing for me, because the last phone I used was S8 Plus. After that it was lost. Now also I don't have that phone. Just turning on. Yeah, it is asking to swipe unlock, but I already set the password. After unlocking it, I will show you guys. Yeah, I already unlocked this phone. It showed phone is starting. Yeah, but the next thing is that it has the display itself fingerprint, because it will unlock when I kept my finger. and it is like the old S8 Plus also had this, the less brightness, battery saver, time shower, I think so. Yeah. The next thing about this phone is different from the S20 Ultra and the phone is the camera. First of all, this camera, wide angle camera, no, ultra wide camera is 108 MB camera. In this phone, it is just like 12 or 10 MB, 12 MB I think so. And this is 12 MB wide angle camera, and this is 64 MB telephoto camera, and this is flash. The Note 20 Ultra have one laser ear thing. I don't know what does it do, but this one does not have. It has 120 refresh rate on the screen. I played my favorite game, Call of Duty. Yeah, but from the phone I am shooting, I can make it to very high and medium and all. Because now I am not playing, but still I played in this phone 2 or 3 matches. It was super, and the front camera is 10 megapixel. Yeah, there is Spotify also, and the Play Store, everything is there. Now next is the screen, the sound and all. The sound is actually not good because when I kept it was like little bit dim, but because the speaker is less, you can see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. The Classroom I installed for my school because now the school is reopening in United Arab Emirates. I am in United Arab Emirates, and the holiday homework and all in Google Classroom only. So yeah, by the way, difference from the S8 Plus and this is that the power off button has changed. How to turn it off has changed. Because when we press the normal start button, Bixby will come. And when we send it back and click again, it will not come. The Bixby will only come. So the first way is that make your phone slide down. Then you can see this power button. Click on that. It will ask you to power and on like that. I don't run it now. Then the other way is that power button plus the volume down button. Sorry. The power button and volume down button. The power off options and will come. The settings, I think little bit difference is there, and some messages sounds are coming. The game launcher, every Samsung phone I have it. I don't have it. I have only Call of Duty my own. Other is like the other Samsung inbuilt games. And the next thing about this phone is Samsung Kids. When I open this, you can see the art studio and all. This is not actually meant for big adults or no. It's just meant for the child to play and all. You can turn it off by clicking back button, but no, it is not working. When you press this button, it will automatically ask you verify your fingerprint, and it will go. The browser symbol and all are same in this phone. Yeah, there is already a inbuilt Netflix. The phone messages, everything is there. These things are like my own things. I copied it from the other phone. I will show the difference between the camera. I will show this background with this phone in the photo section, and I will show at the last of the video, and I will take the photo with the same thing on this phone, and I will show with the comparison of that other. So only this much about the phone, and the back is like slippery thing. If you don't have cover, maybe it will accidentally fall off your hand. And the Samsung Daily is over here, and the new settings of the phone is that how to turn off power button auto display. And there is another software called Samsung Smart Switch, which is I used to transfer my data into this. It took 3 hours to charge, and there is a description for this phone that is given by the Samsung, a PC in your pocket. And it is also like a gaming powerful phone with 12 GB RAM and the S Pen over here. S Pen is actually the same, and you guys solve some troubles with it now, because when we put the back oppositely, it will get stuck there saying. I don't want it to make it stuck or do anything like that. And the S Pen's lid have changed it, the limit. Then the J5 was almost gone, so my father buy this phone. The camera is little bit bumpier like the S20 only. Every phone now it's releasing like this only. Even the newest Vivo and all, even the other phones also have the same thing only. Yeah, the Samsung Pay is in the start itself, clock and all. And the other thing is that the audio quality is nice but not that good, because if I put the song or anything in this phone itself, you are hearing it in your phone itself, so the audio capacity is your phone itself. And there is an app called Samsung Wear, which is used for the other headphone, Samsung Wear. I think there is not that thing. Samsung. Sorry, there is Samsung Wearable. It is called Samsung Wearable. So actually not showing, but when I connect this phone, it will go to. It have treble, bass boost and something like that, and the ambient sound also. So thanks for watching my video. Only this much in video. Next video I will unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So thanks for watching my video, and bye bye. So sorry if something was not clear what I say, because this phone only have 64 GB for the phone I am using to shoot this video, and it was showing storage run out. And this is actually like the 256 GB storage, and it was very nice, because when I transfer data, it was like 40 GB already full from the phone. When I noticed in the Samsung website for India, I noted that when we order the Note 20, you will only get 4G. But in the UAE, my father said that you can also order the 5G version of the Note 20. But in India's site, it's just for Note 20 4G, and for Note 20 Ultra only 5G. And the storage also like that only. The limit is not available for the combination. It has 512 GB also, and it is not available for the Note 20. Only it is available for the Note 20 Ultra. And about this S Pen, maybe we will forget about this phone thing, because I was not using, but people who are using this phone for long time, it only released. But if they were using any before phone like Note 10, they will be like more careful about this, because it is the new thing about the phone. Not new thing, but the main feature of the phone. And the S Pen also has AR Doodle, and there is a emoji maker in the Samsung itself. Actually, the AR thing is in the Samsung area and AR zone. Actually, I made so many emojis. Yeah, actually you can see my face is turning into something. I already showed the other things. I took my photos from the family member. This already had with this phone, this animal versions and all. Okay. Next is the emoji like this and all. I only tried about the face, but the other I will try it later, because Yeah, I didn't use this phone very properly because it was bought for my father, and my father said he will use it after sometimes. So it was in the box itself. So maybe if I look more, I can see more things about this phone. And the other thing is that it has like the normal settings only, but the camera is like which phone I am using now, it's having only 48 MB, but this phone has 64 MB telephoto camera, and the 4K has changed into 8K Ultra HD video. And it is actually pretty cool to use this phone. It is hand fit and not on the top. It is little bit tricky to touch on the top for me because I am not adult. If adult was there, I think they can touch it more easily. The Facebook is not like installed by me. It is automatically came from the phone itself. The only thing I took was this area and the classroom only. The other was all in this phone only. About the storage, I will show you now. The camera is not focusing. Storage. Yeah, you can see 200.7 GB available. You can see it is returned 54.3 GB slash 256 GB used. That means in 256 GB the 54.3 GB has already used, and it's showing the full details. Apps is almost like 1.7 GB and the other is images 4.7 GB, and documents also. That is all my things, and 5.5 GB for videos. Yeah, I thought that videos would not take this much space. And the other thing from the Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20 is that the zoom. This phone only have 30 into zoom and 3 into zoom. But the Ultra have 50 into zoom and 5 into optical zoom. But you can see now S20 already had 100 into zoom, but the Snapdragon chip was not there. Instead of that, Exynos chip was there, so it was like not that compatible. But this has Snapdragon, and the difference from the Note S20 Ultra and the Note 20, Note S20 and Note 20 is that the battery life. The one have 4500 mAh and this have the 4500 mAh, and the other have 5000 mAh, I think so, because I did not look so much about that phone. But the camera was still cool, almost same. They are also saying that this is more like charge storage more the other phone, because it is like office type, no, with productivity phone, and the other is like normal use phones. Actually, my father bought for him for the office one, because as you can know, the pandemic situation is here. He put sanitizer in his phone after he comes from work, because my brother will touch it otherwise. So the speaker and it's all gone. It was Samsung J5. So the headset jack also gone. The